Hi guys, Howard here from Tech Noodling, and what we have here is the Cherry Mobile Superion tablet. So since running 600 MHz lang tong tablet ng Cherry Mobile, ang biggest question is kaya ba niyang patakbuhin yung Angry Birds, and sasagutin natin ngayon sa video na to. Anyway, i-launch natin ang Angry Birds. Okay, loading na siya. Okay, loading pa rin. Kaya na, laro na tayo. Anyway, let's try playing a few rounds. Okay. Okay. Isa pa. Even. Okay. One more. Okay. Wala, di ko napatay ang baboy. Pero anyway, kahit di ko napatay yung mga baboy, at least nasagot natin yung tanong na ang Cherry Superion kaya patakbuhin ang Angry Birds. Anyway, okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.